Okay, here we have the 3D printed case for the GPS for the NASA. It is printed in ColorFab XT, which is quite a strong material. You can see the walls are nice and thick, and there are fillets around the base here, so there's a fillet running all the way around the edge, which makes the walls nice and strong. So yeah, you can see that the NASA GPS will fit nicely in, and there is about a 1mm gap all the way around, so you can get it nice and central. I've tested various different designs for this with thinner walls, thicker walls, and this is the one I've ended up using. You can see that it is very strong. Now you can see I'm hoping my fingers are going white. I am pressing those walls as hard as I can. You can see my fingers have gone white, and I can't move the sides. That's through design and through the material that I'm using. So it is ColorFab XT, which is a cross between PLA and ABS. You've got a nice flat bottom, so you can stick if you've got a foldable GPS stand, you can stick that onto the bottom. If you are going to do that, I would just get a little bit of sandpaper on this very glossy bottom and just rough it up, so whatever tape you're using to stick your GPS stand onto it, it will be fine. There's also, as you can see, a hole in the middle with a countersunk hole, so if you want to screw it into anything, the screw is not provided. All you're getting is the 3D printed case. You can put a little screw through there. If you are using the screw and even if you're not using screw, wherever you end up mounting this, remember this is a combined GPS and compass, so wherever you reposition it, you must recalibrate your system, because the compass is moved. It gets affected by electronics and metal. So if you're going to use a metal screw to screw this, say, to a pole or a post, then once you calibrate the compass in its new position, any metal surrounding it won't affect your readings. So that's a very brief introduction. Let me just weigh it for you. It's not. I've had people saying that there's lighter cases on the market. What was that rocking? But it's how strong you want it at the end of the day. 9.8 grams, so 9.7, 9.8. So you know, you're just trying to protect your investment. And I do another one which is going to come into the shop very soon, which is made from FR4 G10, and it gives you a top connection. So when this is in the housing, you can see there's about 2mm, I think, from the top of the dome of the NASA to the ruler. So that's allowing for, you know, when you stick your sticky tape in there and then your NASA in there, it is no higher than the top of the dome. So that's it really. A simple 3D printed. Although it does take quite a while to print. I think that was 55 minutes to print, to get the resolution. It's probably out of focus. I'll do some stills and some close-ups of it, but this is how it's come off the printer. So you know, you can just about rub your nail and you can just about hear it, but the quality that you get from my 3D prints are very good. I think I've said enough really. The product speaks for itself. It is a way that you can protect your GPS NASA unit from it, and I will do a bigger print for the NASA A2 because it's a bigger unit. It'll be exactly the same as you see here, but bigger to take the new unit. So there's another new product from gaatech.com helping you protect your RC investment. That's Andy signing out for now. As always, safe and happy flying.